hello to everyone out there. This is Iron Mule Bumpers. This is our new crashing truck. We bought it specifically to smash into things. We have a 06 Impala that still runs and moves, and the body's decent, but we're going to be smashing into that next week. We're here today to smash into some 55-gallon drums filled with water to get the camera angles right and stuff for the big stuff. We also even have a Suburban coming in the next few weeks, so we're going to run our mule truck right into it. This is a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500. We chose the gas motor for the RPM and power of it. We've done a tuner to it and pumped it up a little bit here and there. We're figuring we're doing about 500 horsepower now and about 500 foot-pounds of torque. We've been off-road on it. If you've seen our other videos, we've gone crazy with it with some off-road tires. Today we put the stock tires back on it. It does have a leveling kit on it, but we're leaving that on there right now and to smash into the drums here. So this is our Sniper 6 bumper. It's all 2-inch 3/16 wall tubing, and it's cut and welded, so that's why we get the jagged lines to it. Our bumpers are all handmade. All these pieces are fully welded together. There's no press braking, so there's going to be no splits in it. So we're here today with this truck to start showing you videos of just how strong the Iron Mule bumper is over other bumpers. And in the future, we'll probably be putting other bumpers in and then probably destroying our truck with somebody else's cheaper made bumper. Alright, we're back. We hit a drum, point to the drum, doing 40 miles an hour, and we didn't even get a scratch on the bumper. Destroyed the barrel. So now we're going to do it again. Okay. Here we are back again. Oops, we ripped some paint off. That's the way it goes when you're smashing into other metal things. But as you can see, there is no gap lost in the bumper. It didn't even move. The bumper has no dents in it. You can repaint these bumpers every 10 years and then you got a brand new bumper again. That's the greatness about our paint. Unlike powder coat, if you hit this thing and it's powder coated, you get to take it off and it'll cost you hundreds of dollars to take it off, reinstall it, have it chemically stripped and put back on. To where our coating, I can literally strip this stuff off when I damage it to this amount, because it obviously takes a hit, as you can see that powder will never take. So we'll be stripping this off and repaint it, and tomorrow we got a brand new bumper again.